slime. This one, keeping it in 2 hands. That could happen because it's slime. You know, slime is really sticky. Oh, how are you, Jules? So I'm
What do you
thinking
got
slime off a desk. You do know that. Yep. Yep. Attach my hand to it. Whoa, there's some black in it. I wonder why. I remember what type. Remember that garbage truck? Not
Yes.
the new one with the screws.
Yes. We probably got rid of it.
Yeah, that truck. This is the slime for it.
Mm-hmm.
To put in the bin,
It would come out the back.
I don't know. It would just slip through the back.
Mm-hmm.
It would slip through.
It would slip through.
How?
I forget. We never actually used it. As you noticed, we just opened the bag 2 years later. It was double bagged, and it's still fresh.
You know how hard it is playing with slime, especially if you launch it.
See that again?
Of course, I would love to.
Nice.
Whoa, whoa, I split the slime. Whoa! What happened now? I broke slime. Jump, 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 jump. Alright, I'll launch it. Tugging slime out of your hands at the right second. So we just want to show this.
Last lunch.
Okay? I just need to make sure that the slime's in my hand the right way. Alright, and then I can launch it.
That looks hard.
Yes, it is odd. Nice. Now let's dab 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 dab. Alright, bye on YouTube and the next slime video. The next video what I had to make.